and enter the code below. Why is there no charge? Because it's a government-administered service funded by everyone who pays a phone bill, including you. Audiologist recommended. Caption Call turns your caller's voice into written captions.
Hello, Mrs. Johnson?
Yes.
This is Joyce at Dr. Williams' office. We have an update on your prescription.
Make sure your phone is your lifeline with Caption Call. Learn how you can get a Caption Call phone at no cost, plus free captioning service and free installation. Go to captioncall.com and enter the code below.
It is a very brutal place to work. Anything can happen.
All new Highway Through Hell, tonight at 8 on the Weather Channel.
Currently in our area, 48 degrees under cloudy skies. Today, areas of patchy fog early. Cloudy skies this morning will become partly cloudy this afternoon. High 65. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Monday, scattered thunderstorms. High 62. Winds light and variable. Chance of rain 60%. Here's our 7-day outlook.